Alright, this is the Nutone Elegance. This is the second one. I put the longer down rod on this one. So the first one would be right there. Anyway, these were painted over so you can see the little textures and the spots where the paint dripped and where the paint originally was. Alright, this one, the chime is a little different. Let's start on high, I guess. If you notice, the chime is a lot louder. That's gonna be 4. Or technically 2, because we're going from high to low. So you can see. These originally came on extremely long down rods and with the bowl light kits, but the bowl lights were the first to go. First thing to go. As you can see, these things use GE stack motors in them. Alright, let's go down. But yeah, the chime is very different. The chime on this one is a lot more muffled. Thus making this one the better of the two. And the flywheel's not as warped or not as weak, I guess. I don't know. Alright. I lost count of the speeds, so whatever this one is. These things have a really good hum. And this, I think, is speed 5. Or off. I think it's speed 5, actually. Oh, yeah. If you want to see the Nutone wall control. Yep. Alright, and off. Now, let's reverse it. Just want to show you all the reverse chime. There it is, off. But yeah. Yeah. That's the second Nutone.